Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I'm going to explain how to change color theme in VS Code. So let's start. First of all, open your VS Code. So there are two ways to change a color theme in VS Code. So once you open your VS Code, you can see the interface like this. Now the first way is go to the file option. Now go to preferences. Over here you can see the option themes and here is the option color theme. So click on the color theme. Now use your keyboard up and down arrow to navigate through each theme. Now select the theme, go to the theme and press enter, and over here you can see the changes. And there is a second way. Press the key Ctrl Shift P and type color theme. Now select the option and over here you can see the same option or same themes as we seen in previous way. Now again use your up and down arrow to navigate through each theme and click enter. And over here you can see the changes are reflected in VS Code. So in this way you can change color theme in VS Code. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.